Special thanks to Kerbal Space Agency. XM. Xander Michelson. XM Corporation is proud to announce one of our most ambitious projects, our newest and most capable model of secondary Delta V, the XM-2 Max. When your extravehicular Delta V needs exceed the performance of any of the conventional monopropellants, the XM-2 buggy will exceed every data point in your engineering requirements package. The XM-2 buggy is a further refinement of decades of secondary Delta V research and development. During one of the recent Joule series of deep space missions, there arose a need for secondary Delta for one of the Kerbal to recover a classified package. It was decided that the XM-1 had insufficient reserve headroom for this mission, and thus the mission commander chose the XM-2 for this recovery process. The XM-2 performed this mission flawlessly, ending the mission with 78% of its exotic fuel remaining and fulfilled every mission target requirement with healthy reserves of every single consumable. Because conventional propellants such as hydrazine only have a maximum Delta V of approximately 300 seconds and a real-world value closer to 240 seconds, secondary Delta V vehicles that use these fuels simply can't achieve the performance of the XM-2. We'll now look at the various systems and subsystems that are integrated into this product. Like all of our previous models, the XM-2 comes with conventional seating and hand controls. The intentional commonality in these systems allows nearly full immediate competency transfer. Like the smaller XM-1, the XM-2 also includes the full stability augmentation system software as well as full remote control. Unlike the XM-1, however, the XM-2 includes a foldable high-gain antenna. The gain of this antenna at full spread is approximately 38 dB for X-band links and 32 dB for S-band short-haul links. Ka-band RX-TX radio modules are available on request and have a gain of approximately 46 dB, allowing direct links to terrestrial Kerbal installations without any intermediate relay, even from the most distant bodies in our star system. When it comes to short-haul Delta V and maneuvering, the XM-2 includes a full RCS hydrazine stack. Every part of this stack has been 999 tested. From the tankage and tankage heating systems, to the bang-bang flow control valves, to the aluminum oxide supported Iridium catalyst chambers, to the engine housing throat and nozzle, every single part is designed for absolute reliability. In order to prevent wasting valuable hydrazine for basic orientation keeping, a secondary reaction wheel is included with the base package. The included software control system for stability augmentation allows full orientation change, hold, and lock functions. The module has been sized to allow control even with major changes in center of gravity. And now, moving on to the star of our show, our exotic propulsion system, the Xenon Ion Engine. This module is what makes the XM-2 special when compared with any other option. The Ion engine stack is capable of over 4,000 seconds of ISP, and when it's integrated into the XM-2, is capable of almost 3,000 meters per second of Delta V. This module alone is what allows for the XM-2 to be used for unconventional secondary Delta V tasks, such as long-haul crew transfer or maneuvering of exceptionally large masses. While the Ion engine only has approximately half the thrust of the hydrazine system, it's capable of sustaining this for an extended duration. At full thrust and at full tank, the Ion engine has nearly 1 full hour of runtime, while the hydrazine system, even with a full tank, is only capable of approximately 60 seconds of thrust with all 4 thruster modules at maximum burn. While the exotic ion propulsion system of the XM-2 exceeds the performance of all other options, it has the problem of exceedingly high electrical demands. Not only does the system require nearly 10 kilowatts of power, it requires this power for a sustained duration. For this reason, it was decided to use a rather large array of radioisotope thermal generators to meet these demands. Plutonium-238 is the radioisotope of choice for this system. It should also be noted that this system is not powered by a fission-type reactor, but by simple decay heat of the radioisotope. In order to lower engineering costs for this program, we've used our existing RTG modules and simply ganged them together until we met the required energy envelope. In order to provide flexibility, we've also included the original heatsink modules. This means that in lower heat environments, the XM-2 can be used without the secondary heat rejection system. For inter-system work or work in environments where heat may be an issue, the secondary heat rejection system can be used. This system automatically tracks incoming thermal radiation and aligns the radiators to reject the maximum amount of heat possible. Our final system of interest is the Advanced Grabbing Unit. The advanced grabbing unit allows the capture and hold of virtually any object in 0G. Once captured, the XM-2 can orient, slew, or move any reasonably sized object from point A to point B. Because this module has a high parts count, and because these parts experience considerably more stress than other modules, titanium has been used extensively throughout. This means that the grapple is both reliable as well as exceptionally durable. With the exceedingly high overall performance of the XM-2, it's sure to vastly exceed any secondary Delta V requirements that you may have. If you have need of such high performance, contact XM for a full engineering evaluation. If you have any special requirements such as snack holders, drink holders, space cigarette lighters, and so on, contact our tertiary engineering department for a free consultation. Demonstrations of the XM-2 can be had upon special request. XM. Xander Michelson. Special thanks to Kerbal Space Agency. During one of the recent Joule series of deep space missions, there arose a need for... Oh my fuck, I fucked it up. Because conventional propellants such as Oh my god. Because conventional propellants... Oh fuck. Because Oh fuck. For short... Oh fuck. I fucked it up. When it comes to short-haul Delta V and maneuvering, the XM-2 includes a full Oh, jeepers. Or a maneuvering of exceptionally large masses. No, I fucked that up. The XM-2 is... Oh, fuck, I fucked it up again. God damn it, I'm not... Oh, I'm tired. For inter-system work or work in system... But, oh my god, I fucked that all up. If you have such... Contact our tertiary engineering... Oh, god, why is this so hard?